I'm going to show you how to add friends in Parsec. So first you want to open up the Parsec app, and after you sign into your account, you want to click on the friends logo on the top or on the left side, and then click on the add friends button. Now you want to search for your friend by name or ID or email address. So you can type the email address and it should basically show you suggestions, and then you can click on your friend's name, and if it is already on your friend list you can see this check mark. Otherwise it will send them a request that they can accept, and once they accept it they should appear under the friends in your friend list, and you can click on their name to grant them permissions, for example for gamepad, keyboard, mouse control, or connect without approval. You can also unfriend them from here. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.